Hi, today we're talking about restaurant order tracker. So if you're running a restaurant and you're receiving orders on a daily basis, you can take help of this simple Notion template to keep track of all the orders that are coming for a business. So if you have got a database at the bottom which lists on certain restaurant items like the orders which are being received, like the order details, the customer name, table number, the order items what the customer is ordering, total amount of the order status, and the order time. Okay, so we have created a very simple and minimal database for over here. And then if you scroll to the top, you can see the summarized view of what is happening. Like it shows the all orders. So every order that you have received will be visible over here. Then there are pending orders. So any orders which are under the pending status will be visible over here. Similarly, we have in progress status and completed status of the order. In the completed status, you can see the orders as per different customer names. So these are the customer names and the status of each. And under the daily summary, you can see how much orders you have received on a daily basis in this board view. Okay, so on every day-to-day basis, you can track the orders over here, and you can obviously play around with all the settings and requirements over here and define this summary as per your own use case. This is just a template for your requirement. Now, I want to show you another tool which is PDF Output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes a Google document as a source of template file where you can edit the document as per your needs, and then it uses a Google Sheet or a Notion database where you can capture the information from a database to generate the bulk PDF documents. So basically, you need a Google document as a template file, and you can define a Google Sheet or a Notion database, whatever you're comfortable with, for a database to generate bulk documents. I have added a video for invoice generation, as you can see over here, and you can play with this video to understand how PDF output exactly works. And you can accordingly use this tool to generate your own documents for a use case. If you have any queries, please reach out to me at notionformyuse at the rate gmail.com. This is where I will be able to assist you or help you out with any requirements. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day ahead. Bye bye.